Alright, boys and girls, make sure you're on the correct page in your phonics journal, and we're going to begin. I'm going to say a word, and you're going to repeat after me. Thirst, germ, squirt, thread, urge, nurse, grew, term, drool, reach, swerve, splurge, merge, chirp, stern, round. Alright, now let's take a look at the board. Everyone say magnet. Clap it. Magnet. Our first syllable is mag. Our second syllable is knit. What's the word? Magnet. Alright, everyone say cactus. Clap it. Cactus. What's the first syllable? Cac. Second, tus. What's the word? Cactus. Excellent job. Now, on your paper you have a blank, and you're going to put the first syllable in this first column, and you're going to put the second syllable in the second column, and you're going to put the whole word in this last column. Alright? We're going to say this all together, and the sub, you can pause the screen at the end to let everyone get caught up and copy this down. Alright, everyone say happen. Clap it. Happen. First syllable, hap. Second, pen. What's the word? Happen. Excellent. Alright, everyone say object. Clap it. Object. First syllable is ob. Second, ject. What's the word? Object. Excellent. Take a look at number 3. Everyone say index. Clap it. Index. First syllable, in. Second syllable, dex. What's the word? Index. Excellent. Let's take a look at number 4. Everyone say contest. Contest. First syllable, con. Second, test. What's the word? Contest. Number 5. Everyone say gossip. Clap it. Gossip. First syllable. Second syllable. What's the word? Gossip. Alright. You can pause the screen here and let them copy it down. Just let them copy it down for about 2 minutes, and then you'll have to move on. Alright. Now, we are looking at some layers of language. We have the Anglo-Saxon, Latin, and Greek layers of language. Okay? Now, everyone say apple, day, teach, snow, dog, mother. Those are all Anglo-Saxon language. Okay? Some Latin language. Everyone say ject, rupt, odd, fac, struct, viz. Those are all Latin language. Alright? So these are all base words, and that means that it has meaning and that it can stand alone. Like the word teach, I can teach you phonics. Okay? That is, it has a meaning and it can stand alone. But see, our Latin words, they're root words, and they have meaning, but they cannot stand alone. Like I couldn't say, I struck a project. Struct means to build, but our word to build something means what? Constructed. Okay? Now, everyone say view. Everyone say ject. Let's take a look. View is a base word, and it means to see or look at. I like to view the sunset. That's how it's used in a sentence. Now let's look at this word ject. Ject is a root word, meaning that it can't stand by itself, but it does mean something. This is a Latin root word, and ject means to throw. But we have to add something to it since it can't stand alone. So let's look at our sentence. It says, In a big crowd, I need to project my voice. Now, that means to throw your voice around, okay? I need to make my voice loud when I'm in a big crowd, okay? Now, let's take a look at my base word. A base word is a word that has a meaning and it can stand alone, okay? Now, this is like pig, happy, agree, or use, okay? All those are regular words that you can stand alone, all right? You can be unhappy, you could be agreeable, or you could be useless. Those are those words with an affix added on to them. Now, we know our root words, they have meaning, but they can't stand alone. So some of those root word examples are rupt, spect, odd, fac. And we have to add affixes to them or suffixes to make them an actual word. So we took our word rupt and we made it into disrupt. We took the word spect and turned it into inspection. We took the word odd and turned it into audition. And we took the word fac and turned it into factory. Okay?